In this video, you will learn how to use subject guides to conduct online research. Subject guides are also known as LibGuides or research guides and are curated lists of resources to support research in different subjects. They are created by Mount Allison librarians and include book lists, databases, journals, and citation help specific to your research area. To begin, go to the library's homepage, libraryguides.mta.ca. On the left-hand column, click the link for Subject Guides. On this page, you will see a list of all the available subject guides at Mount Allison. Also make note of the right-hand column, which lists all the librarians at Mount Allison and their subject specialties. You can contact any of the librarians for research help on your topic by phone or email. Each subject guide is a little different, but you can usually expect to find resources organized by source in the top menu of tabs. In this case, the Sociology subject guide gives us options to find books and audiovisual materials, articles, reference and web sources, citation guides, and course guides for specific sociology classes. On the Welcome page, you will find new and featured books, as well as the contact information for the subject librarian. You can contact subject librarians anytime for research help on your topic. In the Books and AV tab, you will find information on how to find ebooks, featured new books, and a Novanet search box, plus search tips. The Find Articles tab is where you will find information on key databases and journals for your topic. If you are on campus and using Mount Allison Wi-Fi, you can connect to these resources automatically. If you are off campus, you will have to enter your Mount Allison credentials before accessing the databases or journals. In References and Web Sources, you will find information on print and online reference materials, such as encyclopedias, dictionaries, and maps for your subject area. Web sources will list online sources of information, such as open access journals, collections of images, and other useful links. The Citation Guides tab will give you information about how to use various citation styles. Sometimes the faculty will use the same style across classes, such as APA style in sociology. Always be sure to check your syllabus for information from your instructor on their preferred citation style. Finally, some subject guides will have course-specific content, such as instructions for assignments, slides from an in-class presentation you might have received from a librarian, or resource guides. Congratulations! You now know how to use subject guides. Still have questions? You can contact the Research Help Desk with your research questions at infodesk@mta.ca. And remember, you can always contact your subject librarian for research help, questions about citation styles, or for help finding resources for your topic. Find the list of subject librarians at libraryguides.mta.ca/research_help. See you in the libraries!